Last month, I made $2,500 from something that didn't even exist yet. No, I didn't scam anyone, and no, I'm not selling some get-rich-quick scheme. I literally sold an idea before I built it, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. Picture this, you're scrolling through your phone at 2 a.m., and suddenly you have this brilliant idea for an app or a digital product. Most people write it down, get excited for a few days, then forget about it. But what if I told you that you could actually make money from that idea before you even write a single line of code? That's exactly what happened to me with my productivity dashboard concept. Here's the thing that changed everything for me. Instead of spending months building my idea and hoping people would buy it, I flipped the script entirely. I created what's called a validation first approach. First, I made a simple landing page using Cared. Took me maybe 2 hours. I described my productivity dashboard as if it already existed, added some mock-up screenshots I created in Canva. And most importantly, I put up a pre-order now button with a 50% early bird discount. But here's the secret sauce that most people miss. I didn't just randomly post it online and hope for the best. I went to where my target audience already was hanging out. I joined Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, posted in relevant Reddit communities, and even reached out to productivity influencers on Instagram. My message was simple: I'm building this tool to solve specific problem. If you're interested, you can secure your copy now at half price. The response was incredible. Within 48 hours, I had 15 pre-orders at $167 each. That's $2,505 in sales for something that existed only in my mind and a few mock-up images. But here's what really blew my mind. The feedback I got from those early customers actually helped me build a better product. They told me exactly what features they wanted, what problems they needed solved, and even suggested improvements I never thought of. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I can't deliver? Here's the beautiful part. Because I validated the idea first, I knew there was demand. Before I invested time and money into building it, I gave myself a realistic timeline, kept my customers updated throughout the process, and delivered exactly what I promised. Those 15 early customers became my biggest advocates and helped me get 50 more sales in the first month after launch. The best part? You can do this with literally any digital product idea. Whether it's a course, an app, a template, or even a physical product, the validation-first approach works. You're not just making money upfront. You're building a customer base that's already invested in your success.